Hello everyone, good morning to one and all. Students, welcome back to today's online class of Standard 2 in English in DAV Public School Gumla. So this is our fifth part of this chapter, number 10, the Magic Matchbox. And today we are going to start our chapter with question number 3. And what are we going to do today? We will answer the following questions. So there are a set of questions which we have to answer them. Okay, so each question has been provided with some pictures so as to make it more clear. All right, so as per our earlier practice also, we might have seen in my earlier videos also, there I have provided some pictures for each answers. Okay, so that you can understand it very well. Okay, let us start our first question of this chapter. So you can see the first question is, who catches Neha? And you have read the chapter and I hope you can answer this. There is a picture in the clip also. You can just look at the picture and answer it. So who catches Neha? A bad old witch catches Neha. See how this witch is watching Neha from behind a tree. Okay, and she lost her way and to her home, and she enters the forest, and how she means the witch caught her and take her to her home. So the answer is only in one line you have to write, a bad old witch catches Neha. So once more I am repeating it, who catches Neha? A bad old witch catches Neha. So let us now come to our second part of the question. What does the witch do all day long? Let us see the picture first of all, then we will answer it. Just look at the picture and observe it properly. What is she doing? Look at her fingers and toes. So the witch scratches her itching foot all day long. So you will write the answer. What does the witch do all day long? All day long the witch only scratches her itching foot. Okay, students? So all day long the witch only scratches her itching foot. Okay, now let's come to the third question. Why can Neha not go back home? Neha cannot go back home because she forgets her way back home and enters the forest. I've just shown you the figure. Here you can see Neha has forgotten her way to her home and she enters a deep forest, and a bad old witch was watching her behind a tree, and she caught her and take her to her home. Okay, and she made her do all sorts of work, right from the cooking, fetching the sticks, and everything. Okay, so that's the story about Neha. And here in this particular question we have to write, why can Neha not go back home? Neha cannot go back home because she forgets her way back home and enters the forest. Okay, that's all you have to write. Now let us see the next question. What does Neha find near her hand? Just see, look at the picture. What is she doing? This might not be so much clear, but you can see, look at your book and find it. So she's holding a matchbox and she finds it near the grass, on a dry patch of dry grass. So Neha finds a magic matchbox near her hand. Okay, so I'm repeating the answer. Neha finds a magic matchbox near her hand. Alright, now who helps Neha to go back home? You can see in the picture also, a kind fairy helps Neha to go back home. Who helps Neha to go back home? I'm repeating the answer. A kind fairy helps Neha to go back home. So these were 5 questions, and we will repeat them once more. Okay, starting from the first one. Who catches Neha? A bad old witch catches Neha. Second question is, what does the witch do all day long? The witch, we can start like this. All day long, the answer is all day long the witch only scratches her itching foot. Okay. Now, why can Neha not go back home? Neha cannot go back home because she forgets her way back home and enters the forest. What does Neha find near her hand? Neha finds the magic matchbox near her hand. Now, who helps Neha to go back home? A kind fairy helps Neha to go back home. So these were the 5 questions of question number 3 of page number 39 of your English reader book. So what you have to do today? So your today's assignment is you have to do this particular question number 3 of page number 39 of your English reader book in classwork copy as well as in homework copy. Understood, students? So that's all for today, and you go through all these questions right from the question number 1 to question number 3. You write them in your classwork copy and homework copy, whatever it has been told, and this particular questions are also provided in PDF, so you can take the help of those PDFs and write them in your copies. Okay, so till then we'll again meet in our next class with another question from this chapter, and till then take care, have a good day. Thank you.